Squarespace right now is on a huge push to improve their e-commerce functionality. And so I'm getting so many more views on all of my e-com videos, and people are commenting, hey, is this up to date? Is this up to date? So what I'm starting to do is update every single e-commerce video that I've done. And I wanted to start with this, and that is, how do you move one product from one store into another? So how do you duplicate between a store that sells one thing versus a store that sells another thing on the same site? A lot of people don't know how to do this because it's weirdly not hidden, but it's, unless you know, it's quite difficult to figure out. So what I'm going to do is show you really quickly how to do it on your site now. If I head into pages, what I've done is I've set up store 1, which you'll see here has these products in and looks like this. Then we've got store 2, which has these products in and has this. If I want to move, let's say a milk dip cup, this one, if I want to move this across to the other store, what a lot of people will do is think, okay, I need to rebuild this in the other store because that makes sense. But what we can do instead is we can select by ticking this box, and all we have to do is click move. And then we click on store 2, move the product. And then if we now go over to store 2, you'll see that our milk dip cup, it's really fun to say, the milk dip cup is sat in there. So really simple, but if you don't know, then you're probably never going to find it. So hopefully you found this useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.